Hello and adab everybody. I heartily welcome you all at Dhaka. IMS Unison University is a landmark institution in Dehradun which enjoys a very distinctive reputation in the region. Nestled in the Himalayan range and very close to the famous hill station Mussoorie. Known for its rich and cultural diversity of students on the university campus and providing quality education, highly subsidized and affordable fee, the university imparts quality education through its 6 distinctive schools: School of Management, School of Law, School of Mass Communication, School of Hospitality Management, School of Liberal Arts, and School of Computer Applications. Corporate houses take pride in selecting the university students for their recruitment process. We have a rich and diversified alumni base with over 12,000 students which are performing exceptionally well in the corporate world and are the true brand ambassadors of the university. I welcome you all to enjoy quality education in Dehradun, and I assure you that the quality of education that is imparted in India will in no ways be lesser than that is imparted in any part of the world. I'll be glad to attend to all your personal queries and meeting you in person at the Jamna Future Park on February 23 and 24 at Dhaka. Looking forward to welcome you all. Thank you. Adab once again.